Hello, everyone. This is Dan Gramza, and welcome to dangramza.com Market Studies for Friday, November 21st. Well, what we see here in the NASDAQ market, I said I was looking for an update in these markets. Well, it did make an update. It didn't go further, but then it collapsed. And it collapsed on concerns, not reality. And so I don't look for a big day down on Friday. Right now, we're seeing an unchanged, basically, day in Asia, but I don't look for follow through. In other words, the concern that the market has presented itself, and this is what those concerns are worth to the Russell contract. So look for an inside type day. And when it comes to the currencies, look at the euro. It's also struggling here, trying to figure out what to do. Bouncing on the lows, can buyers now blast it to the upside? Asia's a little bullish, opened a little weaker and bounced a bit. Follow through, I'm not looking for big follow through in that market. So I'm looking for the US dollar to stay strong or basically unchanged with regard to those currencies. Now let's talk about interest rates, and that is the Treasury bonds. It also made a nice rally and it failed. You see consistency of behavior. I do not look for follow through to the upside going into the weekend in that market. Crude oil, you know, I just think we have a lot of it. I don't see fundamental reasons to expect a rally in this market. And when it comes to the grains, if you look at corn, we're at levels that buyers could come back in. I do not look for a dramatic movement to the downside on Friday. Look for the possibility of a market pulling back as we go into the weekend. Well, those are my thoughts for today. Thank you for joining me. Look forward to being with you again tomorrow. And as always, take care.